Photosynthesis!
Yay!
What'd you say?
Hey!
Let us teach you about photosynthesis! Photosynthesis! Let's get into this!
Okay, let's make this short. Photosynthesis is a process used by plants, bacteria, and algae to harness solar energy into chemical energy. Plants perform photosynthesis because it creates energy in food. They use this to help them grow. They also use it for cellular respiration. But watch our game show for more information.
Hey! Photosynthesis!
Yay!
What'd you say?
Hey!
Let us teach you about photosynthesis! Photosynthesis! Let's get into this!
Something has to happen first, not last, for plants to perform this awesome task. They require light energy from the sun, which is really fun. They also need H2O and carbon dioxide. Without this, they would die. The water goes from the soil through the roots. It goes up like it has shoes. After it passes through the root structure, it goes to something. It's called the xylem vessels in the stem. Then it reaches the leaves and it helps them. Carbon dioxide is absorbed through the leaves. Spores are called the stomata, and the plant has a lot of
Photosynthesis!
Yay!
What'd you say?
Hey!
Let us teach you about photosynthesis! Photosynthesis! Let's get into this!
The leaves also contain chloroplast, which will chlorophyll. This whole process is really quite a thrill. It's all due to a green pigment called chlorophyll. It helps the sun's energy get captured. Since the leaves are so important to the plants, we are going to tell you about the structure of them because we can. The typical leaf includes the following. It's kind of hot, so don't start bawling. The upper epidermis is an outer layer cell, so it contains the amount that is tossed through transpiration. This is really quite a vacation.
Photosynthesis!
Yay!
What'd you say?
Hey!
Let us teach you about photosynthesis! Photosynthesis! Let's get into this!
Next is the stomata, and this rap is about to get hotter. These are the pores in the leaves. They are responsible for the gases exchange between the wonderful plants' leaves in the atmosphere. I know this may sound complicated, but just sit right here. CD is absorbed and oxygen is released. That doesn't rhyme, but that's all fine. I would like to say the plant is really quite a peach. Then is the mesophyll. These are photosynthetic cells, not to get confused with the chlorophyll. They are located between the upper and lower epidermis, which is something you couldn't miss. It is very important. It contains the chloroplast, which is vital to the plant. This is really quite a blast. Lastly, we have the vascular bundle. It sounds cool, but it's not really fun, yo. These are the tissues that form the transport system of the plant. Without it, the plant just can't. They consist of xylem and vegetables, which transports water. It also transports dissolved minerals and food to the leaves, which makes the plant smaller. Okay.
Photosynthesis!
Yay!
What'd you say?
Hey!
Let us teach you about photosynthesis! Photosynthesis! Let's get into this!
Now that we know what the leaf structure is, let's talk about the first stage of photosynthesis. It's called the light-dependent reactions. I'm telling you just a fraction. It takes place in the thylakoid membrane inside the chloroplast. It happens first, not last. Light energy gets converted into ATP and ADPH, which is really great. What happens next seems to break the rules because photosynthesis 1 comes after 2.
These protein complexes contain light-harvesting chlorophyll molecules and accessory pigments. These are called antenna complexes. The photosystems also have reaction centers. They are responsible for energy conversion. PS1 absorbs light with a peak wavelength of 700 nm and are called 700 PS1 molecules. This is something taught in our schools. PS11 molecules are different. Yeah, they're different. They absorb light, so you can say they get lit. They have a different wavelength. It is 680 nm and are called P680 molecules, which is really great.
Photosynthesis!
Yay!
What'd you say?
Hey!
Let us teach you about photosynthesis! Photosynthesis! Let's get into this!
Paper's not in the video.
This is over!
Ellie, shut up! Ellie,
no,